Sometimes you are connected to a network of Wi-Fi at work or home, but no one gave you the password or you forget the password and you need it to connect to another device. In this video, I will show you how to find the Wi-Fi password of the network your computer or laptop is currently connected to using a simple command prompt. Watch until the end to learn a quick and practical Windows trick that can save your time when you need it. Go to search bar and write CMD to get the black screen and write this prompt. And here should write the exact name of the Wi-Fi. Then press enter. We'll get the password beside the key content. And I will check it to show you this is the correct password. And that's it. A simple command, you've got the password. No extra software, just use what Windows already gives you. If this helped you, please make sure to check out the other videos on my channel where I shared practical tips that I think you like it. And see you in the next one.